Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the delay in getting this video out, but I'm actually recording this voiceover from our boat. We've moved on to our boat now and our Wi-Fi at the moment is pretty bad, so it's been hard to get videos up. But this video is a video I filmed a few weeks ago, and it's basically showing you how I get big hair or just a bit more volume than usual. So there's a few different things I do with my styling process if I want it to be bigger and less defined. I'm showing you here how I comb it out. So this is just freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I'm combing it out with no particular parting because I don't want a parting for this look. And also I feel like combing it out makes it a bit bigger as well. Now I'm using a leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in. I'm just using the Aunt Jackie's Quench because it's quite a light leave-in. So you can use any leave-in you want, but use products that are going to be lightweight so they don't weigh your hair down, because you want this look to be quite fluffy rather than defined and heavy. So yeah, this is very light but also quite moisturizing. So I'm just applying this, and as you can see, I'm applying it in a very rough manner and just fluffing my hair out. And now I'm going to use an oil, but again I'm using the lightest oil I can because I don't want to weigh my hair down. I want it to be fluffy and big. So I'm just using this Maui Moisture one, and it's quite a light oil, and it's a spray so it doesn't weigh the hair down too much. And again, the way I'm applying this is by just roughly scrunching it into my hair and just swooshing my hair about. That's the technical term. And yeah, just getting it as big as possible. And I'm using a foam as my styler because it's the lightest weight styler you can use to get bigger hair. So I find when I want my hair to be bigger, or I don't want my hair to be too weighed down and I want more volume and definition, then I will typically go for a mousse or a foam because that helps with volume and just not weighing the hair down too much. So I'm scrunching that in and just applying it really roughly. Another difference to how I style my hair when I'm trying to make it big compared to when I'm trying to kind of get more definition is that I don't work in sections. I just style my whole head at the same time because it's not as important for me to get every single strand and every single part of hair, so I kind of just work with my whole head at once. So that is the styling completed. So it's looking a little bit flat at the back, but don't worry about that because we'll sort that out later when we start fluffing and picking and everything. So this is later in the day, maybe 2 or 3 hours later, because it really doesn't take as long to dry when you use a mousse either. That's what I like about mousses as well. But this is how it's looking. It's actually looking fairly defined, but we kind of want to get more volume. So I'm picking it out and trying to get more volume. So I also want to get a bit more stretch into my hair. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it into these 3 scrunchies, and that's going to help just stretch it out very loosely. And I'm going to leave these in just for a couple of hours before I go to bed. So this is how it looks like a couple of hours later. So as you can see, it has stretched it out and given it even more volume, which is good. But this is actually the end of the day, so I am going to then put it into 4 scrunchies because I feel like 4 is a bit better because then I get a bit more stretch in the back. So this is how I'm going to sleep, and this is day 2. So obviously my hair is going to change a little over the next few days. So I showed you, I think up to day 5, how it was looking. So to refresh, I'm using this Hello Curls from Naughty Hair Care, and I really like this because it adds a bit of texture to the hair without weighing it down. It's also really lightweight, and I like it because it's in a spray, so I'll just scrunch that in. And then I'm adding these bobby pins to lift up my fringe a bit because my hair was going in my eyes. And now I'm going to pick that out again just a little bit, just to maximize the volume. And that's it for day 2. So it's day 3, and I'm basically just going to do the same thing that I did on day 2. I'm just going to fluff it out, then pick it out, and then add a bit more of that spray. And that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the days in this video. So I will go now because everything is pretty self-explanatory from now on, and you can see how my hair grows throughout the week. This is the final day that I'm going to show you. It's pretty much done now. I don't think I can get another day's wear out of this hair. Well, not down anyway. I think I put it up in a puff after this. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it or found it useful or interesting. Hopefully I'll be able to get another video up soon, but as I said, my Wi-Fi is a bit dodgy at the moment. And there will be more boat videos coming soon if you're interested in that. And I'm actually just going to set up a new channel for boat videos, so stay tuned for that as well. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.